राजेंद्र जाधव चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करा। मैथ्स पार्ट फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड 10th यूनिट नंबर 2 क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन पार्ट 6 सब यूनिट the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficient to obtain the quadratic equation having given roots. Hi friends, watch this video till the end. See and solve example for more practice given the end of video. Hi friends, today we are going to learn about unit number 2 quadratic equation. The point of the chapter is part 6, the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficient. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the sum of alpha and beta, alpha plus beta is equal to, alpha is minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac. Here alpha is greater than to beta. The numerator is the same 2a and plus b square minus 4ac and minus b square minus 4ac square root cancelling these two terms. Therefore minus b minus 2b. 2a numerator is common. Therefore 2 cancelling, the value of alpha plus beta minus b upon a. Therefore sum of two roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Minus b is the coefficient of x and a is a coefficient of x square. The sum of the roots, the sum of the roots is equal to minus b upon a. Here b is a coefficient of x and a is a coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. This is the sum of two roots. Let's next multiplication of alpha into beta. Multiplication of two roots. Alpha means minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a multiply by beta minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The multiplication of numerator is 2 into 2 4 a into a square minus b plus b square minus 4ac into minus b minus b square minus 4ac. This is the expansion of a square minus b square bracket. First bracket is addition and second bracket is subtraction. Write down these two terms in form. First term of square minus b square minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Square of b minus b square minus square root b square is b square minus minus plus 4ac upon 4a square. Here the b square minus b square cancelling is equal to 4ac upon 4a square. 4a cancelling, remaining to numerator c and a denominator is a. The multiplication of two roots alpha plus beta is equal to x upon a. The product of the two roots, the product of the roots is equal to c upon a. C means the constant term, and a is a coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. The sum of two root is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon c, and multiplication of two roots is equal to c upon alpha plus beta. Sum of two root is minus b upon a. Multiplication of two roots c upon a. Using these two formulas and solve the above following examples. Example number 1. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0, then find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Solution: comparing 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 2, value of b is equal to 6, and value of c is equal to minus point. We know that the formula of the sum of two roots is equal to minus b upon a. The value of b is equal to 6 upon value of a is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 3s are 6. The value of alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to value is a minus 3. Find the next value. The multiplication of the product of two roots alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. C is a constant term. Constant term is minus 5 upon value of a is equal to 2. Therefore, multiplication product of two roots is equal to minus 5 upon 2. In this way, solve the above example. Use the formula of two root of sum of two roots and product of two roots. Example number 2. the difference between the roots of the equation x square minus 13x plus k is equal to 0 is 7. Then find the value of k. First, comparing solution, comparing x square minus 13x plus k is equal to 0 with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to coefficient of x square is equal to 1, coefficient of x is equal to minus 13 and coefficient of c is equal to k. We know that the sum of two roots alpha plus beta is equal to formula minus b upon a. Therefore, value of b is equal to minus 13. Write down in the bracket. Value of a is equal to 1 minus minus plus 13 upon 1. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 13. This is the first equation. In this condition of two equation roots of the equation is the difference between 7. Given condition, difference between two roots is equal to 7. This is the second equation. Adding equation 1 and 2, alpha alpha 2 alpha beta beta, eliminating 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. Therefore, alpha is equal to 10. Alpha is equal to 10. This value is putting the equation 1. Alpha is equal to 10. Putting the equation 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to 13. Then alpha is equal to 10 plus beta is equal to 13. Therefore, beta is equal to 13 minus 10 is equal to 10. This is the value of alpha and beta. But alpha and beta product of two roots is equal to c upon a, constant term and coefficient of x square. The value of alpha is equal to 10. The value of beta is equal to 3. Constant term c is equal to k. The value of a is equal to 1. Therefore, 10 3 is 30 is equal to k, and the value of k is equal to 30. In this way, solve the above example. Example number 3. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0, then find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube, and second alpha square plus beta square. Solution. First, compare the equation x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0 with ax वर्ग अधिक bx अधिक c is equal to 0. Therefore, value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 5 and value of c is equal to minus 1. First, find the value of sum of two roots. Sum of two roots minus b upon a. Value of b is equal to 5 upon 1 is equal to value is minus 5. And the product of two roots is formula C upon A. Value of C is equal to minus 1 upon 1 is equal to minus 1. Find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. The formula of alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta to alpha plus beta is equal to value of alpha plus beta minus 5 cube minus 3 value of alpha into beta minus 1 and the value of alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5. Cube of minus 5 minus 125 minus minus plus and plus minus minus 3 1 za 3 3 5 za 15. Therefore the sum of two number is minus 140. Here the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. This is the first. And second, alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha plus beta square, value of alpha minus 5 square minus 2 into value of alpha into beta multiplication minus 1 square of minus 5 25 minus minus plus 2 is equal to 27. Therefore value of alpha square plus beta square is equal to 27. Let's see next part. To obtain a quadratic equation having given roots, let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equation in variable x. Therefore x is equal to alpha or x is equal to beta. Therefore x alpha goes to left side, x minus alpha is equal to 0 or x minus beta is equal to 0. Therefore x minus alpha in one bracket and x minus beta in second bracket is equal to 0. Multiply by two bracket to each other. X multiplied by x square, alpha multiplied by x minus alpha x multiplied by beta x, alpha into beta minus minus plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus, give the common factor x in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. When two roots of equation are given, then quadratic equation can be obtained as x square minus addition of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Using this equation and solve following examples. Example 1. Obtain the quadratic equation if roots are -3, -7. Solution. Let alpha is equal to -3 and beta is equal to -7. The addition of two roots alpha plus beta is equal to -3 plus -7 is equal to -10. Multiplication product of two roots is equal to -3 into -7. 7 3s are 21 plus 21, and the equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus product of two roots is equal to 0. Putting the value in this equation, x square minus alpha plus beta minus 10 into x plus product of two roots alpha into beta is equal to 21 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. This is the equation. See the next example number 2. Obtain the quadratic equation if roots are 3 and -10. Solution. Let alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to -10. The sum of addition of two root is equal to value of alpha is equal to 3 plus beta -10 is equal to sum of two number 10 minus 3 minus 7. Product of two root alpha into beta is equal to 3 into -10 plus minus multiplication is -30, and quadratic equation is as x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Put the value in this equation, x square minus alpha plus beta, write down the value in bracket 7x plus value of alpha into beta minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus plus 7x plus minus 30 is equal to 0. In this type, solve the above example. This type of example are asked in question paper in 2 marks. Hi friends, solve example for more practice and send to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 9850169389. Thanks.